I've got Gracie, I have Gracie at the vet. She had her teeth cleaned last week and there was an abnormality on her mandible, which is the lower part of her jaw. So she's back to have an x-ray on her chest to rule out that it's not bone cancer. So I want you guys to pray for my little girl, that all is well. I will keep you posted on my sweet baby girl. Let's see. We'll pray for you, Gracie. Hope you're okay. Look at her, she's scared. But we'll see what's up in a couple weeks, okay? Check back in.